How will digital marketing takes place in the 5G spectrum?
In this video, you are going to learn about
For those of you who are not aware what is digital marketing, let me mention it to you. Digital marketing is a component of marketing that basically utilizes the internet and other digital technologies such as the smartphones, tablets and the desktop computers to sell your products and services. Digital marketing is basically something which has changed its complete outlook in business today. The components of digital marketing are search engine optimization, search engine marketing, content automation, content marketing, influencers marketing, e-commerce marketing, social media marketing, social media optimization, email marketing, display advertising, ebooks, etc. The technology of the old times have changed. What has changed? The digital marketing has brought in a new way of looking at things. The way we look at the world is completely different in the times the way it used to be. Today, in the new technology, we can see that how digital marketing has taken over everyone's mindset by just a single use of your smartphone. Now, what does this smartphone brings to you? In the year 1990, the first digital marketing campaign took place in the US where the customers were looking for a special CRM services. What is CRM? Which was customer relationship management. Now, customer relationship management is basically the customer were expecting something more from a company. The companies and its executives were forced to develop a new software system, a new application in which new things were available for the new customer relationship where a 24/7 services would be given to the newly expected customer online, where if everything was just a call away, whether it was your banking service, whether it was your online transactions, whether it was something related to online products, when you purchase a product online, or something where you want to see through that whether the company that you have ordered something from online is trustworthy. So that brought in the customer relationship management. Now, because of this new development, companies started adapting by creating new and new softwares and bringing in new products like games, like new music, new applications for music, new online stores, new e-commerce websites, new social media apps. These new kind of things brought in a new kind of idea for the people to adapt, and that was the way in which people adapted to it in such a way that now we cannot imagine a world without a digital media. So now that brought in a new kind of concept which is called the digital marketing. Now, what is that digital marketing? Basically, that's the only component? No. Basically, digital marketing's component are very simple. It brought in new websites. Soon websites were launched like Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter, Reddit. All these applications brought in a new idea that how you can connect through your smartphone with different people. Now, by utilizing this idea, that brought in for new advertisements. The advertisement industry, the new content marketing has opened up a new way of opening the new doors for the new freelancers, new influencers and the small time creating businesses. This gives you an idea that what sites like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter can do. These have brought in the ideas to advertise more online. Online ads created by heavy content marketing can create tons on tons of ads for generating and marketing those businesses which were never online. These businesses basically try to promote and opens a new door for approximately 4.3 billion ads which are created annually every year by these content marketing agencies to promote digitally and come online and showcase their work. This has also opened up a new door for these influencers, email marketers. There are e-commerce sites like Fiverr, Shopify, WordPress, which basically allows these new freelancers to come online and sell their services. Content generating tools like Canva, which allows you to make thumbnails, which make images and also showcase their work and promote it online on these social media websites. Also, now I will be talking to you about the 5G spectrum. The new 5G spectrum talks about the new spectrum creating, which is the high-speed internet and the smart way in which fast radio waves and the new telecommunication will take place. The 5G spectrum is basically how the new telecommunication industry has been planning the new 5th generation spectrum, which is predicting to have 1.7 billion users till 2025. It wants the new technology to be adapted by billions of people with the new coming generation spectrum. Now, we are here to talk about how digital marketing will take place in the 5th generation spectrum. So, if we look closely at the current scenario, we'll be seeing that in the 4th generation spectrum, we currently have downloads happening in a very slow manner. We'll be watching that the animation videos are not very clear with the internet speed that what it provides. But with the 5th generation spectrum, the speed of the internet is going to be the high new life with which we'll be living in. Faster internet means faster life. A faster life means a more smarter way of living. A more smarter way of living in which we'll be able to see that how the current generation will have to adapt to the new high-speed internet. The high radio waves of the 5th generation spectrum will be able to consume the fast content which was like never before. It basically is going to give to see that how the current generation will have to adapt to the new digital marketing way in a very clear way of high quality videos, high quality audios, more clear visual pixelated content on your digital screen. Now, basically, software like social networking websites like Instagram, Facebook will be able to see things in a more clear way, in a better way, in a way in which we'll be able to see that how those things which were in the 4th generation weren't possible. Now in the 5th generation, which will be looking forward to content generation, the new content optimization, the new search engine optimization, the new search engine marketing, how millions of users have to adapt themselves to the new digital marketing way in the 5th generation spectrum. The income generation system of the digital marketing has also taken up new heights because of creation of famous apps like Facebook, Instagram and YouTube, like Fiverr, Shopify, e-commerce. Now this has created new kind of employments for the new generation, which is blogging, influencer, content marketer, videographer, promoter, online marketer. This has opened up a new way in which people have adopted themselves to promote their brand, their product and their service to enable themselves and create them in a more profitable way, which enable the new employment system in the way in which the people have created millions and millions of income online, which was nearly impossible in the 3rd generation or the 2G sector side of the system. And now this has created a new way of income for the new generation where they can earn more money and they can enroll themselves, and if they utilize these tools of digital marketing, they can go into a new different level. So, with 5th generation spectrum, how can you create money? To utilize the tools of digital media has now been easy than ever. You can see yourself that how you have adapted to the internet and started using the digital marketing as. You may contact the nearest digital marketing agency if you know. You can contact yourself to the latest freelancer, videographer if you know. If you connect with them, you will come to know that the 5th generation is going to bring in new opportunities, new ideas, new methods of working, and the way in which if you adapt to, you can create yourself a very good niche of your own brand, and that will be multiplying in the 3x or 4x or 5x side. So if you adapt to the 5th generation spectrum, it's going to be the new highly speed internet which will give new opportunities to you. So it's time now to adapt to the digital marketing tools that you have, and you should start using them right now so that you can take the complete and the full benefit of whatever things that you have not been doing. I will be showing you soon in the coming videos that how you can adapt yourself to the new digital marketing, the content marketing tools which will help you to grow your business and your work into more higher level which you were never able to. For then, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do. This is Basava taking your hands from here. See you.